Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some pretty tasty treats here. It's some of my favorite, which I think is pork is definitely my favorite, I should say. These things right here basically we got from the row in Monroe again, same as the New York strips we did the other night. Pretty excited about these, and here's the plan here. What we're going to do is we're going to use this jalapeno bacon jam to start. We're going to coat them, and then we're going to use the Meat Church honey bacon barbecue. Okay, so again, we're going to use the Recteq, as you guys will see, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up to about 245, 250, kind of low and slow type temperature. Probably take about an hour to get it to where I want it to be. And then what we're going to do is that I'm going to pull off, put the cast iron back in, then we're going to sear it on both sides, and we're going to go to town. So let's get started here. All right, first thing we're going to do is put a little bacon jam on all these. And I'm going to tell you, if you've never tried this, this is definitely amazing. We just got this last night and we're already through a good bit of it. So I'm just going to smear it over the actual pork chops here. Do, of course, both sides. And then when this comes out, it's going to be an absolute amazing. You could actually use this bacon jam on toast, and we actually put it on our oysters last night, so pretty amazing stuff. So at this portion here, we're going to get your Meat Church out. Yeah, we're going to just go over the top of it here. Both sides. Man, this is going to be amazing. I don't know if any of you guys have a pellet smoker, but it's a game changer for me. We have green egg also, but this is just amazing, game changer. So at this point, you could just come on. Get the other side now. When these come out, they're going to be absolutely amazing. So let's, of course, rub it all in. And while we're doing this, letting you guys know, we all know we need a slogan when we're having these channels and stuff. And I think I'm going to be the silverback smoker. That's going to be my slogan. So you guys be prepared for a lot of stuff from me. It's going to be a lot of fun. Get them coated back up real good here. And there we go. So they're all done at this point. It'd be good optimal if you could probably let this set overnight. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to probably let them set for probably about an hour, and then we'll put them on the smoker. But all right, it's preheated. Let's get these bad boys on now. Got your two prongs here. That's the only thing I'm not quite 100% sure about with this, but I'm sure that's what they had to do. We'll put one right here inside of this. And we'll do one right here inside of this one. Got it on. I think it's going to be about 45 minutes to an hour and we'll be ready to see. All right, we've got them at an internal of 130. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take them off. You can see my goodness, they look awesome. this one pretty hot. What we're going to do now is let it rest for about 15 minutes while this is heating up. Back on. Over here, I'm going to turn this up to 500 on the Recteq. I'll let the meat sit and rest for about 15 minutes. That's what we're looking at right now. We got it heated up to 500. What we're going to do right now, you could add butter or stuff like that if you want to. I'm going to go directly with what we had on it already. But we're going to put it in the cast iron skillet and let it rock and roll. So let's go put them on. We're going to do this one outside the skillet. I want to see how it works. Alright. About 4 minutes on each side, and we'll go from there. First flip on the sear. Flip this one right here in the grid first. We'll put it over here on the loose section right there. Inside the cast here. Another 4 minutes right now, and what we're going to do is take it off. We're going to probably let it rest for about 5 or 10 minutes before we eat. Okay? These bad boys are done. Go ahead and take them off here. Let's get them inside right quick, like onto the cutting board. I'm going to go ahead and cut this right in the middle. And as you can see, the juices are just going crazy. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and just taste a small piece and see what we think here. That's how you do a pork chop and a pork loin. Amazing. Thank y'all for watching today. If you like my content and you think there's something you'd like to continue to see, please follow my channel. Also, you can hit the subscribe button, and you can also hit the little bell so it'll be notified whenever I have some more stuff and content coming out. Thank you all again. Silverback smoking. It was awesome sharing this recipe with you guys. Look forward to the next one.